XRP Army, Ripple XRP holders, let's talk about the truth behind the XRP price crash. Because XRP has crashed more than 25%. In fact, for a split moment in time, you could have scooped up XRP below $2, all the way down to $1.81. And when we zoom into the charts here, we can see what we're watching for right now. We already on our trading indicator, this is XT Algo. By the way, this is my trading indicator. You can get access to it. Link down below, a little over $1 a day. We're already seeing the possible retracement up flash here at the bottom here. We had it a couple times and it's been denied though. All right. We're waiting for that full momentum up to trigger. If you guys want to be ready for it and ready to take action, xtalgo.com, links down below, a little over $1 a day, 30-day money back guarantee. Because when this happens, this is how you create generational wealth in crypto. This is how you hit it big. The last time we got a huge momentum up on the price of XRP was way back here at 55 cents, guys. Way back here, which at the peak then over 500% returns. We are waiting for that moment yet again. And this to me is pure market manipulation. To me, the exchanges are working hand in hand with the market makers to tank the market, to shake XRP holders out of their positions in order for the big institutions and the whales to accumulate. Speaking of the whales, they're already buying. They're already buying. And I mentioned this in my video yesterday. In my opinion, I am not going to allow the institutions to take my positions in XRP. I am looking at this as a massive crypto opportunity across the board when it comes to XRP and my favorite alts. But I want to get into really what's happening here. And people are talking about the 1.1 billion tokens that were unlocked by Ripple. This to me has nothing to do with the price crash, although FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt is starting to creep in the minds of retail investors. And I'm just going to give you guys my perspective. All that we have to do is try to make sense of what's going on. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of things happening and people saying different things. And I just want to give you guys how I'm looking at this, my clear picture. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. I'm trying to give you guys the best information in all of crypto. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear or tell you what you need to hear. I'm going to give you guys the real, honest opinions and thoughts from me based on what I'm seeing, based on what I'm reading, based on what I'm hearing. So subscribe to the channel for more. It's totally free to subscribe and smash that like button. Yes, we have seen 400 million Ripple has unlocked 400 million XRP valued at 1.1 billion. Okay. The price of XRP at the same time has dropped 25%, but this is part of Ripple's monthly routine token release from their escrow. And at least 400 million XRP, again, $1.1 billion worth were unlocked. And this was brought to our attention by Whale Alert. And people are saying, oh my gosh, what's going on? Guys, this is a process that literally happens every single month. Okay. Now, does all the unlocked XRP enter the market? Well, this is what the report states. Not all the unlocked XRP tokens actually entered the market yesterday. Experts familiar with this unlock process explain how Ripple generally uses just about 20 to 25% of these tokens that are released during an unlock session. So what happens to the remaining XRP, you might ask? Well, Ripple then locks back the tokens in a custody account. In simple terms, this is how XRP unlock processes work. Ripple unlocks a set amount of XRP from escrow, sells around 20 to 25% of the unlocked tokens to institutions and exchanges or for strategic partnerships, and locks the rest back into escrow, extending the release schedule to future months. In order to manage supply, promote stability, and fund operations that Ripple unlocks, it is key that Ripple unlocks a specific amount of tokens every single month. This is public knowledge. It is not meant to create fear, although some people are looking at it as such. All right, so XRP's market stood at around a little over $2 at the start of the year, and we saw massive growth. In fact, between January 20th and 31st, the market stayed within range, and we were kind of hovering right around $3, give or take. And now It's opening up the floodgates, guys, for a massive opportunity. We're currently sitting here at 238. We just flushed all the way down. It was kind of a scam wick down to 181. It was bought up really quickly, but the exchanges are creating this hysteria. They want retail money to get out of the markets, guys. This happens all the time. But I'm hearing a lot of different people talk about the likelihood now, because of this recent market crash, that XRP could actually flip Ethereum. And this post right here got me thinking. Crypto Michael says, I think the likelihood of XRP flipping ETH is now even higher after the crash. You should aim to accumulate XRP in the coming weeks, in my opinion. XRP is still the altcoin I'm most confident in holding this year. So somebody weighed in, 50% crash was way too big. It's back to the same price it was 2 weeks ago and still up 5x in the last few months. This says XRP flipping ETH is a bold call, but remember, real moves are made when the crowd isn't watching. Accumulation is about timing and foresight. Stay sharp and let the liquidity flows guide your strategy. So how likely is this? What would have to happen in order for XRP to actually flip Ethereum? Well, I've got it covered for you guys. Again, this is why you subscribe. And if you're ready for this market to rip back, it's why you also check out XT Algo. The next time this momentum up flashes, you do not want to miss it. All right. Now, with that being said, Ethereum's market cap is 316 billion. XRP's market cap, 140 billion. We are 127% away for XRP to pass Ethereum. XRP would have to be $5.48. $5.48 from here. Now, some may say, well, that's more than 100% increase. It's more than double up the price. It's true. And it gives a target price of 548, but we're not that far away. We're actually a lot closer today than we were a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And Ethereum has been bleeding to the rest of the market. I don't think Ethereum's dead by any means, but it's all gonna come back to, where does the institutional money flow? Does more of it flow into Ethereum, or does more of it flow into XRP? I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts on that. But let's continue to talk about, the overall market here for a second before we wrap it up. But I do want to hear your guys' thoughts. Do you guys think XRP could flip ETH? What do you think is going to happen with the rest of the market here? Are we going to rebound this week? Are we going to come back up from these lows? I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comment section. But right now, I think we're at this stage that it is causing peak fear amongst retail investors. And this is exactly what the whales, the insiders, the institutions want. They want us to sell at a loss or get out because we're scared, and they want to buy up our positions. I do not think this is the end of the road for this cycle. I think this is part of the grander plan. And the Trump tariffs, guys, are a real thing. While I think it's good for the United States, it's bad for the markets right now. Why? Because it's creating uncertainty. Even the stock market has opened up in the after hours here, or pre-market hours. It's opened up negative. So it's not just crypto here. Crypto is a highly volatile asset class. It's getting drilled. It's getting hit the hardest. But guys, the same type of gains can be had when we see reversals. So it's not the time to run for the hills. It is the time to lock in, because I think we can gain a lot of this back on the next big crypto pump. And I think XRP is super well positioned. And I think we're going to see a massive overturn here for XRP and the rest of the market as we get into this week. Keep in mind, XRP has also recently partnered with Ondo Finance, guys. First ever Ondo Summit starts in 72 hours. MasterCard, BlackRock, and Swift all confirmed. XRP, guys, is now partnered up with Ondo Finance. This is the leader right now in the RWA space. I think XRP is going heavily into tokenization. We've been talking about this in our videos for a while. It's, again, why you stay locked in. We are talking about different things, bigger things behind the scenes than just price action and XRP going to the moon. We are really getting into the specifics here. It's why you subscribe to this channel. And I've got a phenomenal opportunity for you. If you guys want to come trade with me over at BTCC, 4 lucky winners going to get XRP. Yes, amazing opportunity. If you come over, sign up, deposit, and trade with me over at BTCC this month, you're going to be entered to win a giveaway when we start March. So check it out. It's my pinned post over on X. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.